Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Oh, you're my thing, you know. 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 Yeah. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ye ji abasobodie bebree. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. sɛ wo nante free Seven Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwantiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister yɛagye n'ato mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. We're advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner,
BWF Solicitors. Mama Pomo Bokodia, I suppose I'm talking to Madam Eunice.
Start trying Dr. Morton, this is nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Now, I'm a person who say, I'm said, do BWF Solicitors, dear, Mojidia, Sebi, and you just him angry, Yasia Fadegida, Yatemonka. Now, we would like to congratulate you, say, Yabomabaso, when you mapa, Moyama, Yamianuma, Sebi, or Monkrata, Sem, Aye, Bibioho, and Yamishamopa, say, Mobwejuma.
Yeah, I mean, sure, also, you say, I know, so we haven't met, but I mean, people from all over always come over the program. I'm sure, say, as we work with you in the coming weeks, you will be very conversant with Dudwana and we ourselves will also inform you as of what we do as well.
Okay. Now, I know pay what we're feeding out to her, a Rainbow Radio, BWF Solicitors, and then you would income or more 4th floor, Anna House. My telephone number is 0208 493 7340. 124 and 214 and 218 Tottenham High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP near Seven Sisters Tube Station. No, my mobile number so between your 077 127 61884. Yo, Auntie Eunice, I no pay before for hobia a pia pesi de my miano me pacho one jam.
Pacho, you went that's a bit brave. My main chair, you take phone call for on Rainbow Radio, FM, so my name Samuel, that's what tuning so, and then of course, yeah, BW TV and radio, and Facebook and YouTube. Me chamunina. Me sorry, the program. No, I shall see it late.
Oh, and you
It's say, Bedamo, I say for the first time with to me, clients and I to me, ejumedi. Yamiadum, we be new beer ambassador, but we have just the usual things that updating and crop for on. Last week, na me can say overshare. Immigration rules now last month almost the inshare to honum in regards to a bianco form person year application for settlement into year application based on family life or appendix settlement family life abia J 2.5 based on your partner and answer J 2.5 based on your because we are parents of a British child and I say akola or indefinite leave to remain. And I can say akola with these 7 years, you want to chrome her with these 7 years, I will chrome her. And I can say akola no crampa or EA citizenship or leave to remain under your appendix EU because of the fact that OJ would 2.5 no ABA. Later, Okoware British name, and I was to 2.5 no to the spousal route. then they are saying that, of course, so all your application for settlement, as long as you can show, say, when you do no for a 10-year period, and it doesn't matter whether the first 2 was based on you as a partner and I say you as a parent, no.
Right.
To me, I'm outside indefinite leave to remain after a period of 10 years. And non so sano, so we yes application for indefinite leave to remain now. So to me, a year English language test, which is either say or degree. I just say we are Chrome Hines or degree, undergraduate degree, another master's degree, another PhD. And I say, or can say, we need degree into YSR English speaking, listening exams at a level B1.
Okay.
And no sano, na with the actual that we meet our requirements. So sounds so yeah, life in the UK test. First, now you name say, oh, naturalization a pet, now obey your life in the UK test. But into for indefinite leave to remain, most indefinite leave to remain applications, no. So we life in the UK exams to be able to then go ahead and meet more requirements, no. And then
I
of course,
see.
over to me now. What show must say na for a continuous period. Break beer and bim to say obia why you need 2.5 ewu ya sana ordering who say or sign application ibium. They mean say for the continuous period of 10 years no wait to me actually say na or immigration status and I say oh asetna ewo krum ha in say no so ewo hosa.
I see.
And then when it comes to our applications for private life, you say in Kolana more from her, yeah, in Brian, so at her in terms of private life. Into me also say Akola 87 years I will chrome her, and also to me application for indefinite leave to remain. Into Sa Kolano. Say, ultimately, say you want to work room her for a continuous period of 7 years, no, not or take room her, and it will be unreasonable. Say, Sakolano, ye be no every UK room her. Into say, ultimately, say, yeah, no, nanny mame, and as an papa, the no GP, or nursery, or school. Into it to me, actually, say, na new room, UK room her. With these 7. Into all yes application for indefinite leave to remain ever chrome ha. When it comes to ABA, akola young one will chrome ha, yet then bar a chrome ha because of the fact that mommy and answer papa ever 2.5 nibi. Now akolano under the age of 18. With to me actually say what's not UK chrome ha for a continuous period of 7 years. And also sa anonso ebe to me yes application for indefinite leave to remain. And now say akolano omo anwo work room ha ye didn't free Ghana na say a coffee for biso but sa akolano or ye about the age of 18 and answer or ye 18 or more but still under the age of 25. Insi say sa akolano ebe to me actually say I waba chrome ha but what's not a chrome her for more than half of their life in India, then that child can also make an application based on a private life to say because what's not a chrome her for more than half of their life Ninti say to me emano sa inkratano but so all your application for indefinite India then say to me say what's not a chrome her for a long period of time for about 5 years. And sana umube to me amano sa indefinite leave to remain. On also sana so all year life in the UK any English language test 1 year GCSE wo chrome ha and answer 1 year A levels wo chrome ha dia and dear so to me say 1 year English speaking and listening exam no ewo chrome ha.
Oh wow.
And also ewo ho emma nkola already 18 and I say more than 18 but under the age of 25.
Okay.
When you say
sorry, say me no. Say ma say amount for class that say Fred that.
Say
And krata sem no e ha dwene pop. Na me stramo me mie phone lines no. Mo ama kwanye nti na me pa say Mama Lucy Eunice Orlando no church ni ohum ni me say wo bisa question na wo hu ni obi yi wa no. Me stramo. Ti mo ama frefre no. Mo nya abotre ye ne BWF Solicitors eno ha. Omo de and krata sem mo abedipeli obo akra be bia de be fa bia no. Ombe yi wa no. Nti maame kafra em say na dodo na start pese hu ni akọ nti na me twa asem twa wa. Ti pa cha okoso.
In terms of in Kofa, Omatna a chrome have for at least 20 years. Maybe be our normal business say, be beautiful for Abimuana, on way to me, I indefinite leave to remain application because Omatna a chrome have for 20 years and now. Unfortunately, no, still now, say utumi a chair say what's now a chrome have for 20-year period. Now, because of the fact that we to me actually say what's not a chrome have for dodo no ana, which is the 20 years no. Into omobema will start 2.5 years. Into 2.5 years no, omobema 2.5 up to a period of 10 years. And sana we to me aye application for indefinite leave to remain. Meaning say rules no mo diaba for nkwalano and I say nkofano mo under the age of 25 and above the age of 18, no, Crawford say it applies to Obia, but because the requirements are different for Obia Avia Watna, a Chrome have for 20 years. Sanim Pano, Oba Yano, na Onyakola. He was more than 18, but on to me, entry say, oh yeah, under the age of 25, Watna half of their life. So no and qualify under that route. And I said, on year under the age of 18, I wait to me actually say what's not a chrome have for a 7-year period. Into say to me and say what's not half of your life. And I said what's not for a continuous period of that 7 years now. Then it means say it's up to me say what's not for that 20-year period. And no sign no say oh year 2.5 no twice for a 10-year period and sana. Wait to me, I application for indefinite leave to remain. Into no, ewa hosa. Into I know say nkofo bebre that's what bisa say. But almost rules no almost ma yatina ha 20 years. Unfortunately, amnesty be in the hostel.
Oh dear,
yes, quick application based on your 20-year leave to remain. Ewa chrome high into. So that's why it was so up to that 10-year period and sana when you're in Krata.
Anyway, the make us no say, well, say, Dodo no, Sabi, Sa Quenya, Unia, and there any option, dear, which I say, won't be to me a so a dear, apart from it all.
Yeah, it's say, Obi Abba, na Avia, or can say because of the fact that. Mean to me interest Matina 20 years into my back home for the past 15 years. We knew Obia, but we didn't say almost a 20-year application be why is them year. So Sani Paneba now obey to me, I catch up say Abia, maybe I know we know be way, but maybe I've been shed that any acolano anyhow. Me per se Abia, ultimately application be mammy. If say nipakono ewa akola ye won wo krom ha na obetumi a kire say either say akola no British and I say ye wo akola no wo krom ha with the fact that akola no is about 7 years old and I say akola no e more than 7 years old there, then we can make an application relying on sa akola no. But first of all no it's up to me sure say who sa parental relationship with sa akola no. Into only parental relationship and also it's me a stumbling block.
Oh, yes. I see.
Yes. It's bibi sa no na say utu anamo na okuhu akola ne mame eka say of course me nim say akole wa hwe ne sa me so me hu say mafom me pese me so me ye masade me pese be hwe akola no. So Shakolano just because of the fact of officer in Krata there not another issue. But I say area genuine parental relationship a wo ne akola no wo se wo pese wo ne akola no ko school dia ende na omo de wo din ahye ho se wo ya akola ne papa se mama ne pene so na there's no issue there na then at least unim say wo betumi nya letter from the school.
Mama, me pese misa say ade na mama ne was opening as to say o pese wo din kola no ko and say pacho ade
yeah, because of the fact say immigration rules no so onwa hihye in such a way say the two of you have to be able to come to some agreement. Into let's say akola no wo would jano and I say would ja mama ne akola no because of the fact that now we are abusive or you be didi na term any inside yama no say eba say there is any case of abuse or harm done na then it means that mama no and say papa no will not allow you to see the child because they know say wo no you risk to honor mama no and you are a risk to the child as well. Into if there isn't any form of agreement there, then it means say it will be difficult for you to meet requirements no under your eligibility requirements no. Into they expect say mama no ohwa akola no betumi achiro say ampa papa we ehwa akola no bibi wo ho akola no hia obetumi aye. Say if there's no case of abuse and I say any other harm done to some mama no and asa akola no na mama no pese or no ankasa ehwa akola no because on pese obeba akola na brabo no mu dia, then you go ahead and make an application for a court order. But first of all no omobeka say try mediation. Say mediation anye juma dia na wire application to the court for child arrangement order. In say no sano na no wait to me age na and also to say because courts na ama me direct contact with akola nti me person me ye application because abia omama weekends with akola no and I say omo ama 1 day supervised contact every week with akola no. As long as you are able to show say who was a relationship with akola no, then they can use that to say okay no so and I did 2.5 no mao into it has to be some form of mutual agreement between the two of you because you know in sema ACC will chrome her into if there's no agreement there and they just say muko through the court system and sana wait to me age na akola no so edinya.
Okay. But I see me say lawyer Eunice and I'm and kano a higher Rainbow Radio. We been so Rainbow International Facebook say also now say we join here. Now number between a friend would be you know the 0208 133 4646 0208 133 4646 and I say 0208 133 1134 0208 133 1134 and a WhatsApp line here 0777 that is 0777 1950 989 0777 that is 0777 1950 989 and see what the what's a mat then here Matuama Madam Lawyer then the Ohubiano so on the abro. Na so be join Cecilia and Che ya. Yam se me do more share no near my address no number you be to ya be ya or home chira kwan ya. And ya obi frɛ my main pick call we them say grata sem ye say the di panyanti no. Manu and sikra obi aba afuma no so. Yo, good morning sir. Good morning. Me so your ba no be ma.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, yo.
Your family, John. Manchester.
Okay, Manchester.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Was on for me.
Nyamiadomo.
Yeah, some 2 Mrs. Sabina. person ka fa ne baba na mse so be advice me say onye DNA into na any supercom and since you be connected with this no be apina apina koye no person who say DNA no your home office for no more particular place ya na so which may be there. And the second question no has to do with the last week Mr. say le reason I can say woman being all yes officer company baba na say onkura waira ni omo original birth certificate na ye paper one no biometric one o sisi ano na ono so mpeso oye DNA na say Mr. say lawyer reason I can say ma DNA npo say ensheda anye problem say emema DNA and I'm person me who say is there any difference between emema DNA and ma DNA and say afa the obaye DNA na ensheda anye problem too much na ipocho.
Okay, into the first question now we can say a person or your DNA but or should say omo home office there say oyana. Yes, into home office approved DNA companies are use so into oko.gov.uk now we should approved DNA establishments are the DNA companies are jitum our website no so it's about 8 or 10 different DNA companies no at least when him say DNA company no so DNA na it will be approved by the Home Office in saying just any doctor and I say just any company whatsoever na omujitum it has to be an approved DNA establishment. Now we can say Oba DNA different from Bema DNA. I mean nyame boy any na different. Into Oba DNA definitely will be different from Bema DNA. Say DNA company no for one reason or the other say omu and to me enya the right conclusive reports no there. They will find another family member who they can test. Into say omu ya omu test na ebia omu to me enya conclusive report and answer decision na omu here. They will tell you say yenya into pacho or another family member able to me I test no one or so that we can try and get a conclusive result. Into I mean whatever the case is, they will make sure say they will try and get the relationship as you are stating it. But say into Sadia, they will tell you say there's no possible way say sa relationship now will cannot ebeyesa. Into say will say way anyway your mother and daughter na ya test no na results no is coming that there's no way then they will tell you say there's no way but if there is some sort of should I say a positive result say it can be your child but they are not conclusive and I said they are not 100% sure and I said they are not 98% sure because they never say 100% sure. They always say 99.9% say this is the relationship, as claimed. Until say who said there's a chance that the relationship is as you are stating. Now here more evidence then they will request for another family member to do the DNA test. Senya sure say at least our relationship now will claim I am pasa. Yeah.
But your family member, they bet me Oba and Bema.
It doesn't matter. It can be Oba a bit to me Bema and who here say Oba and I say Bema.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's it, lawyer.
That's it.
Yo, Opedi, Medasipi. I'm say Ofufro swap a year tablets no so. Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wane, Nyame adum here. Pacho Wane ka say.
Your friend me Kweku say do make us free Norway. Bergen or Norway.
Okay, Kweku say do. Pacho one will be
Yeah.
which be bisa lawyer wasem.
Let us see Micha what you for in also. Your friend say, Mammy Eunice, me pamucho mo number no ya na ye fry ye bread do me pamucho p. Only say, ye wo outside minti to me anamoma office in Tino. Ya na ye try say be some be new way say a bed in the past ye be yamo. Mr. Wire much checkable line so my ye near a no. Okay. Your friend is a me come as sutel. Now will be so baby. Say me pese me busa requirements say koba say obi worry nipa no wo Ghana na oba no wo UK. Our real process na say na esitie.
Into debe nkrata na nipa na wo UK no.
Nipa no wo UK no okura indefinite.
Okay. Into say indefinite na nipa kono kura usually EU nkofo no omo different from nkofo a omo kura indefinite and asa omo kura British citizenship. Into let's say
Na me nti wonka
Pachote.
Me pacho kasa ni o Skype na so Mr. No
na okay.
We nwi pacho.
Okay.
Pacho so.
Pachote.
I'm still what's in account? What's in
Pachote menka.
I'm say if you're not no my papa we na me I'm say on the line. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. May I know who's on the line, please?
Okay. Me patro your friend me cha. Me ka safi betting king.
Echa.
Me patro.
Okay, mami echa, patro wanu udwem why?
Me patro mbese mbesa lawyer Eunice asem kakra. Me brother bina one me in fact me one will be any problem kakra. Na oba no e say the brother they say okoye nkrata na anyeyi. And I'm so saying the lawyer say so about okrum hanumwa. Na o insist say akwa bi ye ne ba. And now oba ne say enye ne ba. Oba ne so aware a no onyem ye no ni kun so aware a oni ni kun ti asa no onyem. A be ma ni di ne da akra ne so age say. Omu ye okay. Enti no opese o fa kwa bi say akra ne ne ba na o de akra no de akra ko gira ye ne krata. Enti also umuka say ne lawyer say onfa omude ko court na obako e DNA oba ni timi avoid DNA na ontimi avoid it because oba ni so on say stress ne ba no enti no the person busa lawyer say e betimi possible so oba ni betimi avoid DNA.
Okay, into sorry, and say, my answer gentleman or oba so first because my name said not offer free and no nancy ne line and I bad, but I'm sure say OT. Now will be sad BB about the fact say obia OT UK or indefinite or bet to me I enkrata ama obia. Yes, into said nimpano a cry indefinite and I said settlement na opese odinu kunu eba krom ha. There are certain requirements under your immigration rules that almost shushe. In some person who say wo kunu anasa wo yere na wo person wo dene bano and pass more genuine relationship that's so ewo ho inti say mo aware no mo marriage certificate omo person who say mo bon komo WhatsApp so phone so at least say money remittance na mo send them just to make sure say the other person Ghana no you okay ube to me the no actually and then they want to also know says nipa na Ghana no or undergraduate degree and answer or access confirmation said ni degree na why no ampa na wo perform ampa so emit omo common European framework level A1 and answer say only degree kampona or English language test which is IELTS at a level A1 and also san also almost person who say nimpa no Ghana no only tuberculosis and so be tuberculosis medical certificates no e dey actually almost say only tuberculosis e won mu and then nimpa na UK hanom no and so to make sure say ne sika na origin no about 18,600 a year and now say it is more than that 18,600 a year. Or sounds so accommodation na sani pana ba obet me agena tum say ampa we ya me kuna na say we ya me yere me pese me net na enti eno no sa no na nipa no abo no ho say ya obet me ayesa application no say otse we dia I'm hoping say otse say opese offer ye office so a obet to me afre. To answer your question about the fact that when it comes to obia courts no akache say on your DNA, they will not force it on you because ebia wo ka say mama no and say papa no osha akola no ebia they are not available and I say because akola ne yare no and they don't want the test to be taken at that time. Court order no there say at least almost diso because of the fact say so when the court order so you can be held to contempt. Court no can even make an order for your arrest. They can enforce their order one way or the other. And see if at a particular time no nipa no enye ready there, the court will ask you for an available time into say mama say ebia and then I'm no me ready and then me pay another time and the court no be man no say on pay another time or be ready obey to me I test no into something that is a court order into court no like I say a DNA has to be carried out there and the DNA has to be carried out but I say mama no emma time officer or yet sad DNA because until she has obviously complied with order no the court cannot move the case forward into na a prolonged case no and then if they are seeing that nipa no per se or difficult keke on per se obey dia then they can enforce the order in one way or the other into na more Kafkas which is social services for na omoye juma ema courts no the Kafkas officers will always have a representative over to me akofie ene mame no akasa because they are the ones who will make a report back to the court say almost omoka na nipa no ebia wama reasons the entia on pese obey test no then they will say okay we will go ahead and then inform the court of ABC reasons but of course so obi fufo din ewo akola no birth certificate no so na mame no aka say ampa enye so and so beba because that time na wo no na yeni ho me kunu ne so and so me kunu na me na atna up to this time until the court will have to take all of that into consideration. They can't force nipa no to just go ahead and carry out a DNA test until they have to consider everything that nipa no ever can also before they make a decision in regards to child arrangement order no.
Pacho, I hope say one noisy and now fufro gretchin think what be an uncome food from
Pachai manwesi.
All right, yo. Pacho,
Mama, so the pen kata. It's in an Indian brain. Okay, that's it.
Yo, yes, yeah, that's it. Yo, me pacho why now war yes, we know so tablets no
Tablets so no. Eh, me have you kwaku say do abek me yini kate na minima de ko di.
Aha, when I'm from Europe now I'm saying na mama here.
Aye, every no way.
Yeah. My name is
please hold on.
Mama.
Yeah, Kasa.
Okay.
There be kwaku Kasa.
Yeah, Mama. Aha. Na make me busa say now upeso chire me mu se nipa no peso ba procedure no say the city.
I na minister would say e wo afide no so
obi a owo e friend say owo UK nkrata or dey ko ware obi wo Ghana.
Yeah. Into na me ka say in regards to sa nipa no wo UK hanom no as long as obey to me I share say sa nipa no wo Ghana no waware no na omu relationship and as omu aware no genuine and subsistent into ampa marriage certificate e wo ho omu ehia omu ni mo ho omu bon komode bia sometimes it be a nipa no UK chrome hano or mane Ghana no sika ene nkeka ho no. If that is the case there, then of course they are able to show say omo meets our relationship requirements. Another requirement ne say nipa no Ghana no so to make sure say obey meets our English language requirements. English language requirements ne say bia or no e degree, because our undergraduate degree no acts for a kase ne degree na or no emiti sa common European framework level A1 or above. No sa no not we use so no, but so on credit degree there and there so yes English speaking and listening, which is IELTS. Over here IELTS no at British Council Ghana na watch say with me MET level A1 no. Obesan so actually say why tuberculosis test no to show say only tuberculosis when you move no so sa no obey sa tuberculosis test sa immigration and migration office almost friend airport residential area and also sa no so obey na with to me I actually said nipa no we UK ha no so to me say ni income anasa ni sika na original at least 18,600 a year. Say more than that, sir, and there is even better. Into Nisika do na oje from the Jumano at least over to me actually na with me actually say more than the 18,600 and I say soon 18,600 ne pepepe. And now nukun so ba obenya baby ada into either say or tenancy agreement and answer or baby to show say or Diana over to me any sunny panel at 9. Those are the main requirements or also to me meet yourself as or the Nikunu.
Very good. Now, English, no, was say a friend is say A1.
Into A1, the lowest. So, officer, yeah, no, at A2, over to me, I know at an A2 level. I think the highest is about C1 as a Pachote.
A line on no voice in you would the back come but on the may.
Pachote.
Say the article.
Kwaku a bear free woman and cast a lion what was in the wagon swatch, Mr. The bear will be so ever free lion now, no so any bibica cracker, Mr.
You any Mr. Catch a woman, ma'am said, my friend, because me, Yana, okay. Yeah, or no casamenti.
All right, Nyashi, what are your friend? Why? Let us see.
Okay,
all right,
my friend, that's it.
You, Pacho, near what Skype, no so on Casaway. Near what tablets, no so. Pacho, good morning. Hello, good morning. I'm Sir Onoko. Hello.
Hello, Pacho Mia.
Okay. Pacho, a frost saying now, Casafi.
Okay, good morning, Pacho Frame Coffee, Mikasefri Landing.
Okay.
Pacho, campus, Mechia, lawyer, genius now also. I'm Pesami Busa, question Kakrama, and my sister. Pacho, let me sister, Wahano, our landing, or way. Now, only way now I am British. But unfortunately, no, all no, and yet on 118 or the call way. Into Niban, and 2 years now, and on a Akulan Echo Ghana. You see, I connect 14, and I want Akulano as a back. I can't pursue continuing education. I was saying. Into Usha birth certificate, Miss Na, a dear or day a buy, and another send or the buy, and then they say I can't birth certificate so. And I crown of 14 on Besuja Kulano or Bessa or Tana, Nanka, or Sha Kulana Kulani Kusku. Into a dana I was away.
I just saw your DNA because in conference sound within the beer. Into say, or your DNA nature say, okay, DNA nature say, way I am a bar, but the dinner I wore birth sets no so a different day because Mrs. Sammy Dean. And I don't know, say, or the Becca. Application no say ampa edin na website no so enye edin na me use sisiano because me sister me din but there na nature say me ba nti me pese me application no ma me ba we di 14 ever join me e wo chrome ha nti as long as she's able to show say akola no ne papa no ebia otikrom ha what 2.5 and I said ne papa no abandon akola na onhwe akola no na wetumi age-na eno so e de akola no aba UK krom ha.
Lawyer Mpacho, akola papa ye British and only here our Ghana sisi am no kasai we free hand for almost about 10 years ni. But akola ye British and ne maame any thing to ne maame na Africa na o mapa krom anu sisi a udi ne baba a month ni no apa krom akola no e be continue education so. But maame ne visitor visa and e be rare mu sisi a.
Inti akola na ye British dia eno ane se akola no so no nkasa ebetumi aka se oye obi a obetumi etukwan aba UK krom ha. Inti what they want to know is if there's an adult traveling with akola no. Inti ebia amanone no because wetukwan aba Ghana ninti we be here se ebia ne papa ede ne beba krom ha anase o mame ankasa pese o come back to Ghana no o de akola ne ba ono ankasa so ebetumi
Mpacho let me say o get me wrong akola no ne maame o ma ba 1 month o mienu nyina wo krom a tie but
okay.
maame ne pese o be ko Ghana bi o pese o tena ne ba no e wo ha na o hwa akola no.
Okay, I think that will make sense. Into say akola no ene maame no eti krom ha na o ka say maame no pese o tena krom ha na o hwe akola ne dia and they say to me say akola we e British a me so me hwe akola we pese o ko school into my school amano school na o ko no eni school no e wo me details say me akola ne maame but me din eni akola ne birth cert no so into me ye DNA a kire say me ye obi a me ye akola ne maame me sisa me din but of course e din na sisa but me ankasa na me ye akola ne maame a me hwe no into me de documents way from school e bia my register no so GP into GP documents no so HSA akola no my register no GP at least from time to time say kwa me de no call into so to make sure say that akola na waba na also ye British no or play a role in akola life not with to me age na and also to make the application for 2.5 years but first na say visit visa na or no ewu ansa na with to me yes application no
so what person unya Facebook a Rainbow International and a hotline no to say I'm on 0208-133-4646 and I say 0208-133-1134. WhatsApp number here 0377-1950-989 0377. Hello, Pacho, my name.
Hello, please. My name is Mohammed. I'm calling from Bakin.
Okay, Emmanuel, you're live on air, please.
And please, if you've gotten your first 2.5, when can you apply for the 5-year route, if that's possible?
Okay, so your 2.5, is it based on you as a parent or partner?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm wondering how you are able to hear that the first caller said he did it, because can you hear, lawyer?
Yeah, I can hear now.
Okay, go on.
So was it as a parent or partner?
As a partner.
Okay. So
but you are no more together with her.
So you are no longer together. Did you have children with her or?
You only had a child, but they didn't marry.
Okay. So now you want to rely on the child to be able to make the application?
Yes, please.
Okay. So if you are now saying that because you are no longer together with your partner, so you want to make the application for a parent to be able to say that you are looking after a child, then you need to make that application. If, for instance, you were saying that you're not living together anymore and the relationship is no longer subsisting, then you have to show that this child that you have together, either that you are playing a role in their life by taking them to school or taking them out, whatever it is that you do for this child, you have to be able to show by way of an official letter. So either it's a school letter or a GP letter, or if the person goes to after school classes, the after school club can also give you a letter to say that this is the role you play in the child's life. And they'll also want a letter from the mother to say that you are indeed playing a role in the child's life. So the letter that will come from the mother will have to say what you are doing for the child. If you are paying her to obviously cater for the children's needs, then she will obviously have to mention that in the letter as well. So whatever it is that you do for the child, she will have to mention it in the letter and then sign it off as well. So you have to be able to show that you are playing a parental role in this child's life first of all. Then they look at your immigration status to see if you have valid leave to remain in the UK. You will need to be able to show that you still have valid leave to be able to meet that immigration status requirement. Then you have to be able to show that you also meet the financial maintenance requirement. Because it's a child, they want to know whether your income will be equal to the income support rate they give to children and parents in the UK. So if you are receiving, let's say, £2,000 a month, and you take out your rent, you take out your council tax, whatever you have left, they would want to find out if it meets that income support rate that they give to children and parents in the UK. And they will also want to know if there is suitable accommodation where this child can stay. If you were to say this child should come over to your house, would that child also have suitable accommodation to be able to live with you? And then lastly but not the least, they will require that you will meet the English language requirement. So you have to be able to show that you've either done the English speaking and listening at a level A2, or you can show that you've got an undergraduate degree, and that undergraduate degree will allow you to be able to show that you meet that common European framework level that they are looking for. So if you are able to meet all of these 4 requirements, that you have a parental relationship, that you meet the immigration status requirement, that you also meet the maintenance requirement, and you meet the English language requirement, then you can switch from the 10-year route to the 5-year route. But as you are saying that you are no longer in a relationship with your partner, you need to make that application as soon as possible.
Right.
Okay.
What's your say? Do you get that?
Thank you very
All
much
right,
for
thank
joining.
you. There's somebody else on the line. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Mpacho, good morning.
Good morning. Mpacho, why name?
Mpacho Linda.
Oh, hi,
The
Linda.
Kasasi Wembley.
Okay, Mpacho, one word your loyalty.
Mpacho, lawyer, you need Mpacho, Maxim, and Pesami, the South Accra.
Mpacho,
Mpacho, me ba, Chroma as dependent child, ye mammy 5 years. I think a many 4 years. Ba mawo. And if you are, yes, no, here you took 2 rooms in child, say a dog. And I'm my many cars, I may apply, say, be I a bema me a Diana, may have a benefit. May I no say me eligible to me my. But because with the article, I said, a mamma best to say, be a next year and me call you indefinite, and I'm say, be a my claim benefit me a very few senior and now say, be a dinner, Mr. Kamiti South Accra.
Okay. Also, we are a dependent child of an EU national. Pacho, say correct.
Pacho,
okay. In terms of what showing say you are a dependent child, you know, it is more to do with the fact that all dependent on your parents. And so what the way I almost describe it, dependency, and as a dependent child under your appendix FM, annex 1, no. They are trying to say as ultimate say you are financially supported by your parents. And here any support be a omo and as a EU national no and a show. Into say would benefits there, it means say wo parents no and your mona show. Because the whole point
okay, gotcha me too.
Okay, so the whole point of dependency no is just say wow we are non EA national no. Not EA national na free amanone no. Or no ena show. Whether a would DM wo a danya ubetum whatever it is which is in regards to you and dia ube here no or no ena air show into say also OJ benefits there it means say after the abina and the air show and ya wo papa na o EU ni anasa wo mama a o EU ni ena air show into and also would then make it difficult for you to be able to show say what to me aje indefinite no because omo person omo hu say wo mama anasa wo papa no every year bia o evidence e chere say omo na omo ma o sika o de hwe mo ho anasa omo ama wo dan a wo tim a wo betumi ahwe wo ho
no me pa na every month bia na oma mi sika no order so ye but accommodation ye problem no see yen try say me yeah you may eligible yen farmer me krom ha de unqualified yen farmer see me so no mo give me document no mo share no mo say yen sure say me no cost for public funds to be eligible but since me with I say
okay into a dan na omo de be ma wo no o ma me no obetia eho kana
almost say government this year be a me top up. And to top up no na on obetia mame. But me so me ye juma.
Okay. Nti of course se wo so ye juma na o ka say wan kasa no enye wo na obetia sa top up. O mame betia top up. Aban no so betia de aka no. Of course, omo hwe ne say nanka wo mame a wo kasa wo depend on no so no. Se wo se or hwe wampa and adentina say aban ni tua sika ne bi ma because of the fact say one kasa we fifie also oba into moon to me emfete efie honom se wo mame so pay dan ama wo dia and say at least utua bi na ono so etua bi na yehu se ampa wo mame na eda so ehwe but aban ni sisi a ehwe the bulk of your rent answer na wo mama so aye top up so we to me actually say without wo mama support no then you would not be able to afford accommodation no then they will consider but what can say we ejuma into I'm sure say in their calculations no HMRC so ever can say this is something that you yourself can pay without wo mama support into say oh kase one kase we ejuma dia then you have to think clearly about the decision you are making because if you are saying parents say wo mama na ehwe then it means that without wo mama support no and they want to me enya dan a obetim
Pacha Martin
okay
decision
Pacha
for you
that's it Linda Commissioner yo I'm say wo hwe wa fidie na akabe say I'm say sima angotwe say sima enkono na yede adwumadi na abewie na lawyer CCM say obi an ahoma isudie memfa kwanya isu mi so asem kakra chese kakra bi ana wo kakra bi ade be ka ho so a na obenzo friend lawyer say na kan no omu number no 0208 493-7340 omo 2142-218 Sonam High Road Seven Sisters London N15 4NP Seven Sisters Tube Station or mobile number so 07712761884 lawyer bacho osho feduso Rainbow Radio International Mr. Shannon so e be atam bi omeba no unsa e be kan omo ho lawyer Eunice bibi ho person be kan ho na bacho.
Okay. We didn't say your main topic for today, but it's here for David Viara, Yakase, and your immigration stem unkwa and yedi ho ejuma. Say eba say ebia open say all your applications to say sign ya ebi mo abaso either say oh yeah outside the UK application for obi to come into the UK. And I said, what's the UK Chrome how or stressing over to me, I hear one crata. And now campus a British citizenship application, yeah, Huijuma. So say now, your name say, yeah, points based system, and call for able to me, Abaye Juma, ever Chrome ha, and call for Edaso, Eba Senya, almost to me, Esnia, idea, ever university level, and now campus say, almost bas school, ever Chrome ha, and also home ejuma. Into either skilled worker application and I say student visa applications we need now so ejuma. And I can say one casa or business ever chrome ha or GD say over to me ama obi permitter over to me dabe ejuma ever chrome ha and also ejuma to me application or for sponsor license non so every home office for. And then if for any reason to say obi buy or say on obi ba needing any akolano so child arrangement orders and also non-molestation orders, any occupation orders. Most family cases no juma civil litigation matters and opinion so Ghanaian law as well. And we have that variety. At least say unim obi say ye wo kwampo na unim obi a obehia mbo a na wachre ne kwan say BWF Solicitors so e wo ho a omoye adwuma pa nti say adwuma we say opese okohu oma from na omonhwe emma so open remote appointments because bia to say nipa na offer ya or say free ewi so open remote appointments and their your office line omobeje consultation not with to me any one-to-one consultation. Your office line 0208 493 7340 into 0208 493 7340. Your office number no. Your BA office no Monday to Friday 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. And see, so person o frey over to me afrey. Your office ewo 7 Sisters. So o person book your appointment now be hu yen personally so so a. Your 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so. Your bank 7 Sisters tube station and no pairs so free exit 2 air bar ubehu abronsan 10 ewa right with a dental signpost into of 4th floor of Anna House no so say open say o parking so a ebia wo drive abaye ho open say o park here your Tesco car park which is adjacent from your building no over to me a parking honum for at least 90 minutes. Inti nyame ya adom a me damosini na me bompai say nyame ya adom next week give it to me assign issue bio. Dr. Morton that's it.
And that's it. Nyame shop papa say odi dwumadia brain na that's no nyame ya adom a ye besanti won kan bio. That's it.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura wo ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eya abofrahwe mu, awaregya ye ho twuma mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma wo legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni eya wo brei mu. Enunti ne eto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agye wo ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ, yɛ immigration team no abredare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ ɛne entry clearance visas, family visas ne appeals. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tum ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Nti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free juada ekosi fiada anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia ɛyɛ 9:30 a.m. kosi 6 p.m. ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan ɛyɛ 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernardo Wusu san yɛ barrister yɛagyina to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.